today's video, I am going to do a review of 2 dog items. But before I get started, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications to let you know whenever we post another video. With that being said, let's get into it. So I'm going to be doing a review of 2 things I got for Mocha, or have for Mocha now. One is, this isn't it, but this is his flea protection that I do use. I gave him a bath today, so I do got to put this on in a little bit. So, the first thing I'm going to do a review about, and this is a very honest review. So, if you know someone that has a diabetic dog or cat, this is something. Ooh. I can test my blood one more time. That's besides the point. So, one of the things I would definitely pick up if you have a diabetic dog or cat is this kit right here. So, this kit is a very easy kit. That right here, you put one of the, I can't think of what it's called right now. The glucose test strips. After you open it, you put it right here, and once you put it in there, it will turn on the actual kit, and it's ready for you to test the dog or cat's blood sugar. This is the little, okay. So this one is the one that came with the dog and cat tester. It comes with 50 I'm gonna have this in the link of the description. It comes with 25 test strips and 25 lancets. These are the lancets right here. And then, of course, that's test strips. If you buy the actual kit, you do get the case to put everything in. So, this is the actual lancet device that you pull that back, you hit that right there, and it goes up and pulls out the blood. So what's nice about this one is after you pull it back and put this on your cat or dog's paw where you pull the blood, and you hit that, when it goes in, it brings blood right out. Every time you do use this, you have to change out the lancets, and they are very easy to switch in and out. So when we first found out that Mocha was a diabetic, we got one from Walmart, And then I got one from, we got one from Walgreens also. So this little pin, when I take his blood with this one, you actually gotta push, you have to push it together like this to try to get the blood to come out. And when you use this, it is a lot lower than the actual dog and cat kit. So in the description, I will have this glucose monitoring kit in the description. So if you know someone that needs one, or you need one because your dog or cat becomes diabetic, that would be good to get. So the other thing is this trimmer kit. There is 3 colors you can get it in. It's purple, pink, and white. In the kit, it does come with your charging cable. The actual base, that's where you plug it in. The actual base to have it, it comes with a large clipper. It comes with a nail trimmer. It comes with a medium, I would say medium trimmer. I wish one thing that it would come with is a case to put it in instead of keeping it in the box. It also comes with a small paw hair trimmer. It comes with the gauges to go with the size of it. I haven't used this part, but it comes with the actual clipper cover. Comes with a small one. This is a cleaning bottle to clean the actual clippers, and it also comes with a little brush. Like I said, it didn't come with, it also comes with these if your dog has a lot of hair, it needs to be shaved a lot, I would definitely pick this up. What I use this for is Mocha's paws, the hair between his paw right here, the back on the pads. It's a very nice set. Like I said, I wish it came with a case to put this in instead of leaving it in the box. I'm happy I got it for him because now I have two paw hair shavers. The other one, I don't know where it is. I have charged this only twice since I got it, or once when I got it. I do use it whenever I do cut his, when I cut his nails, that's when I trim his hair on his paws. But I do shave at least twice a month, maybe 3 times a month, to make sure the hair that's down further on the paw is shaved and kept shaved, because of the fact that's where I take his insulin from, not his insulin, his glucose monitoring. So that spot is where I take it from all the time, so I keep that spot shaved all the time on him now. In the description of this video, I will have both of these in the description. So if you know someone that has a dog or cat that's diabetic, definitely pick that up. That's a better one than actually getting one from like Walmart, not Walmart, yeah, Walmart or Walgreens or CVS. If you need to trim your dog or cat's hair for any reason, I would definitely pick one of these up. It's a cute little kit. It's a 4-in-1 multifunctional low noise. It really has no noise shaver razor. That one is $30, and the glucose monitoring kit is $54.99. The actual lancets, the lancets are, how many do you get? 50 for $8.54, and you get 50 of the glucose testing easy open glucose monitoring strips for $39.95. It's a good deal. You can also get them on subscription on the 2 extra things on the glucose strip kit. You can get those regularly sent to your house. Also, if you have a pet that is diabetic or yourself is diabetic, make sure you get a bottle, or you get the Sharps container to put the stuff you use in, because you don't want no one to get stuck by a needle or the lancing little doodad. So I am going to end this video here. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you know whenever I I post another video. We post another video. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day or night whenever you watch this. Bye!